Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. Today's Market Monday is going to be a mini Market Monday. This is going to come in just a regular 6.5-inch mail envelope, and it will be $3. If you are interested, my email address will be in the box below, and you can send me an email. I'll let you know if I have any left. You're going to get 10 inches of this. This is a bird cage roller stamp, and it's rolled onto little price tags. So the birdhouses will fall wherever they fall, but you can put 2 or 3 together or just one. But I thought, being that this was a stamp envelope, that might be cute to go with it. And so in the envelope for today, there are 50 stamps. They are all U.S. stamps. As far as I know, I don't believe there's any foreign stamps in here. But there are people and flowers and flags in different colors. We've got, the regular postage stamps from a long time ago for 8 cents. We've got some that are more recent. And although I don't know exactly how recent they are, and there might be, this one looks like, nope, that's U.S. airmail. So I was going to say that. I thought that one might be a foreign stamp. I believe there's no foreign stamps in here, but I just went ahead and each one of these kits has been sorted so that they all have some of the small stamps, some of the large stamps, some with flowers, some with people, some with buildings or whatever. And this one is a Christmas stamp. There's the regular, I believe that there's just the regular, just the regular flag stamps. And, there may be, like, especially with the flags, there might be more than one of exactly the same one. Because I just sorted them all out and split up what I had between these 10 envelopes. So today's kit is $3. I do ask that you send this friends and family, because at $3, by the time you pay a PayPal fee and the postage to mail it out, there won't be much left. But I just thought that it might be nice to have something that was a nice reasonable price for those who can't afford the $20 or $25 kit. So again, they're $3, friends and family, PayPal only. If you want me to send them internationally, I think I can do them for $4. I believe that would pay the difference in postage. I'm pretty sure. So anyways, that's today's kit. 50 postage stamps to use in your crafting, and 10 inches of the little bird, the bird cages rolled out on some price stickers. So thank you very much for stopping by today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you're interested, send me an email, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.